To create an internal parallel segment, first select the segment, then click the Create Parallel tool. Enter the distance to offset the internal, and the red X shows a preview of the position. A positive distance will create the internal inside the piece, and a negative distance will create the internal outside the piece. A distance on contour value will place the first point on the external contour, exactly that distance from the selected segment, then create the parallel line. Tick on Extend First or Last Point to extend the parallel contour until it touches the perimeter of the piece. If the segment is graded, tick on Grade New Segment to apply the same grade rules. Click OK to create the line, and click Yes to add point on snapped contour. If a parallel contour is created outside the piece, it is still considered an internal contour for the piece.